Sebastian? Sebastian, do you want to put your shoes on? You want me to put them on? You want to put them on? You gotta give me your socks. How are you? What is going on? We're just sitting here on a Tuesday evening. Sebastian, ¿te gusta tu pera? He's eating a pear. Look at your hair, it's so pretty. I, on the other hand, have all these baby hairs that I hate, but it's okay. We're not going to do this because Sebastian wants a clubhouse. Is that your clubhouse? Where's Sebastian? Where did he go? Where did he go? Where is he? There he is. I see him. I see him now. Mommy's lap. You like sitting in Mommy's lap? Oh, what? What is it? He's playing with your little car. Yeah. What are you looking at, the birds? Yeah, there's birds. Can you say bird? It's Wednesday, November 14th. He's gone. I was trying to make sure he was in the video, but here's oh my. What's that? Did you turn the TV off? Yeah, good job. You're so tall now. Yeah. Is that a toy? Because I don't think it's a toy. All those toys. But he wants to push that button. It is November. I think that, no, I don't think, I know. I'm going to record a lot more this Christmas because Sebastian is very active. And I'm thinking about how I'm going to put up all the Christmas decorations I see everywhere. Everyone already has Christmas decorations up. And the stores already have them, but I mean, it makes sense because, you know, in order for them to sell more, they have to make sure to have them out. And so what I was thinking is, oh my goodness, like, what am I gonna do? Putting up the Christmas decorations, I'm trying to make sure that I can put them up in a way that Sebastian doesn't take them out, or doesn't take them down, or doesn't destroy them all. So I'm thinking about that situation right now, but I need to clean the closet outside. Oh, what? Baby hairs. Baby hairs. So I have the closet outside. That door. That's banana on the window. I have to clean it. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, all of my pillows. See, this is why I don't even... You're done with it? You're done with that pillow. You said no more. Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Where's my baby? There he is. I see you, Sebastian. Okay. He's coming to this pillow. So basically what I'm trying to explain is that I've got to clean that closet out. Not looking forward to that, but all the Christmas decorations are in that particular closet, and since it's such a mess in there, I don't even know I don't think Christmas is gonna come here. I'm just kidding. So maybe I'll do a video on decluttering that and getting rid of all the stuff that we don't need that's in there. Scary thoughts, scary thoughts. I think we're gonna put our Christmas decorations up on December 1st because I feel like December is when Christmas decorations should officially be put up. I know some people put them up beforehand. I know some people put them up right after Thanksgiving, but I'm the kind of person that my tradition is gonna be that I want to put them up on December 1st. So that's what we're gonna do. So I think maybe today when Sebastian goes to take a nap, my goal is going to be to clean out that closet as best I can. I know I'm not gonna be able to clean it up completely, but I'm gonna try to do it the best I can. Sebastian is asleep. I just ate lunch. It's 54 degrees outside. Oh my God, my hair. So basically, I really want to clean this closet right here. I'm trying not to vlog my hair because my hair looks bad. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to clean this closet because our Christmas decorations are there, and I know that I'm going to have to get them out after Thanksgiving because I will definitely decorate for Christmas. Christmas is one of my favorites just because it's a good feeling to know that it's Christmas and that the year's almost over and all of that good stuff. And I would rather have that done now instead of later so that I don't have to worry about cleaning that closet when the year comes. So it's a good idea to get it clean now so that whenever it's spring cleaning, I know that closet's already taken care of, because I think that is like one of the biggest challenges. So for real, this is scary because this closet is a mess. Oh my God, something's gonna fall out of here. Oh my God, I don't know where to begin. Goodness gracious me. That's my summer floaty. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys a before, which you just saw, and then an after of what it looks like clean, because I don't think this is going to be it's not going to take me just an hour. I'm pretty sure this is going to take me a minute. There's birds out here trying to eat. Bird feeder. This little bird feeder. All these little birds make this huge mess, but if you listen closely, you can hear them or see them. Did you see them? Maybe if I just be quiet for the longest time. No. The plan was that I was going to clean out the closet outside, but plans have changed because Sebastián, ¿qué estás haciendo? Sebastián se diferenció. He woke up, basically. I wasn't looking forward to cleaning that closet anyways, so that's an excuse for me. Daddy's not here. Daddy's working. I had to put my hair up in a ponytail because it looks bad. Sebastián? You can stand up. You can walk. Did you like your strawberries? They were super delicious? Yeah, strawberry. What is it? Did you like your strawberries? Did you like your strawberries? Did you like your strawberry? Right now. So right now, this is my life. Sebastian!
Nope, not a trail. Streaming, you're going to do a lot of that. He may get to prom before he's 26. Or not.
I love you.
Using Spectrum Mobile.
What are you doing? Are you hiding from me? Oh, you look so cozy. Here, let's see if we can put you under the blankies. He's gonna hate this. There you go. Are you all nice and cozy? You ready to put clothes on? Say that again on camera. Why do you chew gum like that?
I just don't do it anymore.
It's raining. It's the very next day. I didn't get anything that I wanted to accomplish the day before.
Yep.
So look at this day. It looks